Good morning. My name's Lonnie Bowers. I'm here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to bring you this nice, beautiful 2021 Arctic Fox by Northwood. It's a model 275L, fifth wheel. Very nice unit. You have underbelly storage. You've got front storage underneath the overhang. This has an electric auto leveling system. Just beautifully built fifth wheel. Northwood builds a fantastic product, built right here in Oregon as well. One of the first things you're going to notice when you walk into this unit is a beautifully rounded center wall. Makes a nice touch for the interior, makes it look very pleasing to the eye. You're also going to notice a very nice Thomas Paine collection, a double recliner with heat and massage. To the left of that, you'll notice a freestanding dinette table and chairs. And this is a rear kitchen model, so you've got plenty of counter space and lots of storage, as well as a nice little pantry to the right of the kitchen. Also has a nice entertainment center by the front door, so perfect view from sitting in your nice recliners. As you walk up the stairs into the front of the coach, you're going to notice your bathroom on the left has double entry. So you've got entry from the hallway, you've got entry from the bedroom. Makes it nice when you do have guests inside. You can be sleeping up front. If they need to use the facilities, they're not going to wake you up, and vice versa. You have a full wardrobe slide in the bedroom. So lots of hanging space and lots of storage beside and over the bed as well. It is a fully walk-around queen-size bed with storage underneath. Also in the living area, you're going to notice a fantastic fan with rain sensors. The nice thing about that is if you are bringing cool air in or taking warm air out and it does start to rain, the thing's going to close automatically for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Also have a nice residential style ceiling fan. Circulates the air very nice, and a very nice large skylight over the kitchen. Another nice thing on the exterior of this unit is frameless windows. Look beautiful, tinted, and less likely to leak. Also fully walkable roof on this unit, and a power awning. Again, thank you again so much for stopping by. We appreciate your time and your effort and your faith and guarantee. If you have any questions about this unit or any others, please make sure you ask for me. My name is Lonnie Bowers. Best way to reach me is on my cell at 458-210-4130. Thanks again.